Hey guys, today we're going to be installing some aftermarket speakers that I picked up at Walmart for $19.76, I think it was, before tax. They're four-way speakers, 120 watts. I don't know anything about speakers, but was told that's pretty good. They're little ones like this, but they come with a plate, makes them bigger. Well, look bigger. That's them with the vanity plate. The things we're gonna need for this is a screwdriver, wire stripper, possibly these little end connectors right here, these ones, possibly, and we might need a drill. So let's get started. Okay, first thing you have to do is take your door card off, which really isn't that hard. Mine seems to have one screw here and then a screw in here. Other than that, there's no other screws. And then this speaker cover, this just pops off and there's no screws under that either. So it's just the one, and then it'll just pop off quick and then you can get to the speaker right there. Okay, so it turns out I had to remove the screw in here. There was a screw in here behind the handle that I had to remove. This one here, and then I had to remove the manual window lever thing. Now with the door card removed, you can see the speaker assembly. And there's there's only 2 bolts in this one, but there's usually 4 around it. And then you just remove those, pull it out, and then, yeah. Make sure to, because I almost forgot, to disconnect your battery before you start doing this. Now with your speaker out, you can expose the speaker wires. I'm going to guess that the one with the stripe is the ground, because these aren't the stock colors. Stock colors would have a black line on the ground, and neither of these have a black line, but if it doesn't work, then we'll just switch them quick. I won't put this back together till we make sure it works, but yeah. So now you take your new speaker, which you can tell is very sizably smaller, but I think it'll work if we jimmy rig it a little bit. To be honest, I think I could get away with it. Just gotta figure it out, is all. So, I'm gonna take the vanity plate, pop that on. I'm gonna probably screw it there. And this is why I said you might need a drill, because you're gonna have to drill a new hole sometimes for these screws, which, I mean, isn't ideal. It's best to get the right size for your door, but like I said, I picked these up at Walmart for 20 bucks, so I can't really complain. I forgot to connect the wires though. So stripe is probably ground. Slide that on. And this one's probably positive. Just slide that on. Okay, now they're connected. Whoa. Start it by hand so I don't cross thread anything. I'm gonna That's it. Oh, just like that, it'll be just about perfect. And I'll take this other screw and we'll pop this one on the vanity plate. Maybe not. Maybe we won't use the vanity plate. You can if you want to, by all means, but it's not. See, this is why we need the drill right here. So, put it in forward. And boom. Boom. Okay. And that's the tweeter wires. I found this tweeter, but it was all mangled and fucked up, so we're gonna have to replace the tweeters. But there's the tweeter wire. I'll just have to run it out and up. So now you just gotta put your door card back on, do the same to the other side, and you're done. So guys, that's it. Quick one. Driver's side still isn't working. I think it's the wiring or something. I'll figure it out in a later episode. We're gonna be doing my girlfriend's brakes on probably Thursday, so there'll be another video on Thursday. And that's it. Peace.